Annyeong, I'm Sunny, your Korean study buddy. In today's video, I will dive into a controversial apology by K-pop star Karina and then introduce some related Korean words. Let's jump right in. It is confirmed that Karina, a member of the K-pop group aespa, and the famous actor Lee are dating. This led to backlash from some aespa fans. As a result, she wrote a handwritten letter to apologize over dating, and she has now ended her relationship with him. What happened to her? Weeks ago, reports emerged stating that Karina and Lee started dating after meeting at a fashion show in Milan. Pictures of them together were subsequently released. When they confirmed their relationship, some of Karina's fans felt betrayed and protested. A truck with a billboard appeared at SM Entertainment's office, announcing that they would cease supporting Karina. Other fans declared that they would stop using the paid chat service and purchasing albums in large quantities to attend a fan meeting. Why did some fans feel so betrayed by Karina's relationship? Many entertainment experts suggest that there are parasocial relationships with the idols prevalent in the K-pop industry. Companies recognize the fans' desire closeness with idols and provide services to meet their needs. Those fans are willing to spend significant time and money supporting stars, and these efforts contribute to the idol's success. It's akin to an implicit contract between fanbase, idols, and agencies. Fanbase invest their time and money in their idols. In compensation, idols strive to make fans feel important, fostering intimacy. Karina's relationship was perceived as breaking this contract, leaving her fans feeling as though their efforts were not paid off. Some fans say that K-pop stars should endeavor not to get caught or disclose their relationships. It's a matter of basic consideration. This situation does not represent the K-pop fan base from around the world or the K-pop industry as a whole. If you have any thoughts on this situation, please share in the comment section below. Now I will introduce some Korean expressions related to today's story. 연애, 항의, 헤어지다. 얼마 전 에스파 멤버 카리나와 배우 이재욱이 연애를 인정했습니다. 하지만 팬들의 거센 항의와 악플이 이어지면서 두 사람은 헤어졌습니다. Until now, you've been experiencing the Korean world with me, Sunny. Keep learning, keep exploring, and continue your language journey. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. 안녕.